today I will be chugging. Let's drink a Coke. Alright, guys. By the way, don't worry. Don't ask how I got this Coke for free. We just got it. So. See how long it takes.
Chug, 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 chug.
I'm not gonna really chug it, but I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna let any burp come out until I finish this entire thing.
La la la.
It's good, but very fizzy.
La, it's
I have to
fuzzy.
push that thing down there. Wow.
Iconic. Iconic by mistake.
Try my best not to burp. Guys, it's really hard. Oh my gosh.
Iconic by mistake. Iconic by mistake.
I'm very like quiet burps a little bit, guys. But like, if I'm a random half-bitten talkie outside, so if you brought a bag of talkie, he took half a bite and said, "I'm full. I'll put it in."
Iconic by mistake. His face is crazy.
Come on.